Welcome to Purposefully AI. Today, we're revealing 7 simple AI prompts that freelancers are quietly getting paid for, without any coding or app building. If you're looking for beginner-friendly ways to make money with AI, you're in the right place. Freelancers are getting paid every day by simply copying, pasting, and delivering output from AI tools. We're turning smart tools into real income. I'll show you 7 real AI prompts that clients already pay for, which ones pay the most, and how you can turn just one of them into your first AI side hustle this week. Prompt number 1 is for product descriptions. Clients typically pay between $10 and $40 per listing for this service. The prompt is, write a compelling product description for a handmade product. Highlight emotional benefits, sensory details, and include a clear call to action. Etsy and Amazon sellers often struggle with marketing copy. With this single prompt, you deliver a clean, professional description in under 5 minutes, and they are happy to pay. The second prompt is for YouTube video outlines, paying between $25 and $75 per outline. The prompt is to create a detailed outline with a strong hook, key talking points, and a clear call to action. Prompt number 3 is for Instagram caption packs, which can bring in $10 to $50 per pack. The prompt is, write 20 Instagram captions for a brand in a specific niche. Keep each caption under 15 words, use a friendly tone, and include emojis. Captions are used quickly by brands. This means repeat work and recurring clients for you. Prompt 4 is for email marketing copy, paying $30 to $100 per email. Write a 3-email sequence, including 1 value email, 1 soft pitch, and 1 strong call to action. The 5th prompt is for short-form video scripts. Clients pay $15 to $50 per script. The prompt is to write a 30-second script with a strong hook, 3 value points, and a closing call to action. Everyone wants engaging Reels, Shorts, and TikToks, but scripting them is a challenge. This is one of the fastest AI gigs you can deliver. Prompt number 6 is for blog post outlines, which pays $20 to $60 per outline. You can sell the outline alone or upsell the full article. The prompt is, create a detailed blog post outline for a 1,000-word article on a specific topic. Include H2s, H3s, bullet points, and SEO keywords. Now for the highest paying prompt on this list, brand voice guides, which pay $40 to $150 per project. The prompt is, analyze the writing style of this brand's content. Describe their tone, vocabulary, personality, and stylistic patterns. Then create a reusable brand voice guide. Most businesses don't know their brand voice. Defining it positions you as a strategist, not just a freelancer, which is why it pays the most. You don't need to offer all 7 prompts to get started. Pick just one prompt, turn it into a simple Fiverr or Upwork gig, and let AI handle the heavy lifting. What used to take 30 minutes now takes 5, meaning more clients and less burnout. If you want everything you need to get started, download the free AI Money Starter Kit linked in the description, which shows you exactly how to earn your first $50 using simple AI workflows. Subscribe for more simple systems, real income.